Hi everyone! I hope everyone had a great holiday. Today's recipe is monkey bread, which is such a simple and yummy recipe that everyone will keep asking for more. Let's begin. You'll need refrigerated biscuit dough, brown sugar, butter or margarine, white sugar, and cinnamon. I found that the easiest way to mix the dough and the sugar is to get a Ziploc bag and add the sugar and cinnamon. And then shake to mix the sugar and cinnamon. Now there are various sizes of biscuit dough, and I will list in the description box the different sizes for this recipe. Then you're going to cut the dough into quarters. Like this. Now you can put up to 7 biscuit pieces into the Ziploc bag. The reason you only put maximum 7 biscuit pieces is because it is easier to evenly coat the biscuit dough. Then grab a pan and arrange the pieces in the bottom of the pan, layering the biscuit dough. You can use any type of pan, but using a bundt pan will make the monkey bread look more appetizing. So when you're finished layering the dough, set that aside. To make the sauce, you're going to melt the butter or the margarine in a saucepan. So when the butter or margarine is completely melted, add the brown sugar. Then mix until the brown sugar and butter or margarine is completely mixed. Then you're going to pour the sauce into the pan, like this. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Soon your house will smell so good. After 35 minutes, remove the monkey bread from the oven and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then grab a plate and place the monkey bread on it. Doesn't it look really good? You can now pull apart the pieces or wait for at least an hour or best overnight to cut the bread, which I like doing. I want to thank all my subbies who have supported and encouraged me. I look forward to 2013 with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!